Hey friends, welcome to Uttara Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let me tell you a joke. Why did the bike fall down? Because it was too tired. Yeah, my corny jokes might be bad, but today's vegan corn chowder is delicious. Diced potato, corn kernels, chopped red onion, thick coconut milk, diced carrot, diced celery, diced green bell pepper, split red lentil or Masoor dhal, Italian seasonings, red chili powder, vegetable stock, coconut oil, roasted garlic powder. Watch our suggested video that pops up. Salt and black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil in a saucepan.
Coconut oil melted well. Add onions, a little salt, and saute for 3 minutes. Now add celery, carrots, bell pepper, garlic powder, and saute for 5 minutes. Add potatoes and saute for 2 minutes. Add corn, vegetable stock, seasonings, and mix well and bring to a boil. Add lentils, simmer for 10 minutes or until potatoes or lentils are cooked well.
Adding lentils to this soup helps binding everything together. Before we make the roasted garlic bread, let me tell you another corny joke. What do you tell a vegetable after it graduates from college? Congratulations! In a mixing bowl, add soft unsalted butter. Add salt, black pepper, roasted garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix well. Spread evenly on baguette bread. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 10 minutes. Roasted garlic bread is ready. Lentils and veggies are cooked well. Turn off the flame and add thick coconut milk. Vegan corn chowder is ready for serving. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped scallions and coconut milk. This soup is really creamy and delicious. If you like spicy soup, add chili flakes. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!